Two brothers, one sacrifice, a choice that led to the first blood ever spilled on earth. Cain and Abel were the sons of Adam and Eve. Abel cared for sheep. Cain worked the land. One day they both brought offerings to God. Abel offered the best of his flock, pure and spotless. Cain brought fruits from the soil, what he had grown. But God accepted Abel's gift and rejected Cain's. Cain felt humiliated. Jealousy burned inside him. It wasn't just about sacrifice anymore, it was about being seen and being loved. God spoke to Cain. "Why are you angry? If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? But if you don't, sin is crouching at your door. It desires to have you, but you must rule over it." Cain ignored the warning. He said to Abel, "Let's go out to the field." And Abel followed. There in the silence of the field, Cain attacked his brother. Abel's blood stained the earth. The first murder, a brother's hand, forever cursed. And the ground cried out to God. God asked, "Where is your brother Abel?" Cain replied, "I don't know. Am I my brother's keeper?" But God had seen it all. Cain was cursed. He would wander the earth, marked so no one would kill him, yet never at peace. A life of regret. If this story moved you, like the video and subscribe for more.